So good morning, welcome to our CLIL presentation. Today we speak about a very interesting argument, I think. Today we speak about earthquakes. So everyone knows something about earthquakes, but today we are going to extend your knowledge. Then, what is an earthquake? An earthquake is the sudden result of energy in the Earth's crust that provokes seismic waves. And we can see in this model that there is a focus point under the Earth's crust. There is the point where the earthquake is born, and there is another point above this focus, that is the epicenter. That is the point where the earthquake starts. There are also the seismic waves provoked by the earthquake. Then, there are two reference scales, but I will not speak about this. Antonio will.
So, I am Antonio, and there are two different scales, Richter scale and Mercalli scale. The first is a base 10 logarithmic scale, which defines the magnitude. It's represented by a formula m is equal to log E divided by S, where m is magnitude, and log is logarithmic in base 10, and E is intensity and S standard intensity. With this image we can see the graduatory of intensity, earthquake intensity, and with 3.0 less we have micro, between 3 and 4 we have minor earthquake, and then light, moderate, strong, major, and great. The strongest earthquake was in Chile in 1960 with an intensity of 9.5, and the second is Mercalli scale. Instead measure the destructive effect of an earthquake, and this image represents it. But Lorenzo explain you this image.
Yeah, from 1 to 3 there are only vibrations, and then from 4 to 6 there are slight damages, and from 7 to 9 there are moderate and heavy damages, and some buildings fall down. And then from 10 to 12 there is a great destruction, a lot of buildings fall down. We can see in the Earth's crust some cracks, and the seismic waves of the earthquake appear in the Earth's crust.
Well, in 2008 there was an earthquake in California, and its magnitude was 7.8, and also the epicenter of the earthquake was inside the Salton Lake, and also this lake is the biggest lake in California. And so inside this lake starts the famous Sant'Andrea Falls, and it starts in South California and ends in Cabo Mendocino. And also scientists say that every home needs to have a plan of action and supply food and water. And now let's do the exercise.
So this is our problem. The Los Angeles earthquake, as Adelina said, was 7.8 on the Richter scale. Another earthquake recorded in Hong Kong was 3 times stronger. What was the magnitude of Hong Kong earthquake? So we begin from the formula m, that is magnitude, is equal to the log of E on S. So the magnitude in AA is equal to log of E of Los Angeles on S. Then 7.8, that is the magnitude in Los Angeles, is equal to the logarithm of intensity in Los Angeles on S. We know that the intensity in Hong Kong instead is 3 times the intensity in Los Angeles. So now we calculate the magnitude in Hong Kong, that is equal to the logarithm of the intensity in Hong Kong on S. But the intensity in Hong Kong is 3 times intensity in Los Angeles. So M in Hong Kong is equal to the logarithm of 3 LA on S. Then this division became a difference from the property of logarithm. So it became logarithm of 3 LA less logarithm of S. Then also this product became an addition, and so logarithm of 3 plus logarithm of ELA less logarithm of S. Then this difference became a division for the same reason of the other one. So logarithm of 3 plus logarithm of ELA on S. So we know that this is 7.8 because it's the magnitude of the earthquake in Los Angeles. So we just have to calculate the logarithm of 3, that is 0.4771. So plus 7.8, that is the magnitude of the earthquake in Los Angeles. So it becomes 8.3. That this is the magnitude in Hong Kong. Now we are going to give you the exercises you have to do. And the first one is really similar to this problem. You have to solve a problem with the same thing. And the second exercise is a closed test. You have to delete the unspoken word, and then the remaining words, you have to insert the remaining words into the gaps you have to complete. And that's all. Bye.
Hi guys, this is our CLIL project, and we are Riccardo, Michele, Francesco and me. We'll speak about